All right, what is going on, guys? This is gonna be a quick video. Obviously, it's your boy BJN. So, I just want to make this video quick. I don't want to, chat too much. I don't want to chat bare. But yeah, I'm just gonna go over the trade recap, and obviously, I'll go over my execution today, what I thought, what I think, and how I rate the price today, and obviously, I caught 60 point. And yeah, as you can see today, I was bullish, and from my chart annotation, you can clearly see I marked out this fair value gap here. So I was expecting price to just retrace, and then we just bounce from there. So straight there, I'll just go to the 1 minute time frame and just show you my framework on what I was thinking, what I thought. So just before market open, yeah. So this is you can see this blue line right here, this blue box. That's the 4 hour fair value gap, which I was looking at. So obviously we open right here, we pretty much we dumped, and from there, I was just looking for a buy opportunity in this gap. And you can see that previous sell side, which I marked out, which was this low. I was just waiting for price to take out this low, and from there we can like get a buy position. So as you can see, the first trade would have been this trade, but I would have take this trade, but due to me being in the class, I'm still studying, so I was. I have a lesson at the moment, so I couldn't take this trade. Obviously, I looked at the chart, I saw the trade. I said, okay, this is a good opportunity, but I'm not going to be able to take this trade because why? I'm in the class. So I was like, okay, I'm just allow this one and I'll just look forward to the setup. Right after that, you can see this setup deal fail. It was a good setup. I would take this. If I had take this, this would have been a should have been a losing trade, and I can't complain. And yeah, but I didn't take it. I saved myself from a loss. And after that, yeah, I had to wait. So we get the sweep of this low once again. After the retrace, pretty much we came back down and get the sweep of this low, which is our sell side. And from there, we pretty much get a good reaction again. So I didn't take anything right here. Pretty much after that, you can see we just consolidating. So I was just waiting. My first trade was, I think, a short position, which was right here. No, actually, it was a buy position, which was right here. So, first of all, the first reason I took this trade was because I saw a bullish momentum coming in. So I was thinking, okay, we might actually pump because one thing is I'm buying below, I'm buying in discount because we're below the 9:30 open, which is right here, and we're below the 8:30 open as well. So I'm buying in discount, and obviously I want to see price, trade into one of these area, which is the buy side right here and the buy side right here. So, but I didn't get that. I got stopped out, immediately, and you can see I got stopped out there about 20 points, and from there, price just start, going back up. And my second trade was right here, which was a short position. So I had to wait for price to, take out this buy side right here. Took out this equal highs. Those highs was clean. So I was patient enough. I was patient, I saw this gap. Obviously, I was waiting for price after the sweep. I was thinking, okay, we're gonna get a good momentum, and price is gonna go all the way down to take out this, sorry, to close below this gap, which is this bullish fair value gap right here. So I'm gonna mark out the bullish fair value gap right here. Put the void as well. So I was expecting price to just close below that gap, and I'm gonna look for my short position. But from there, you can see we pretty much consolidate there, and from there we just pump. So from there, I was just waiting. Obviously, I had to wait. We consolidate for a bit, and then my second trade, I think, was right here, was right at this area. So I used that gap. So that gap got mitigated. So we closed below. So once we get the close, pretty much just got in right on this candle. So we pretty much sell off. And I thought I was gonna get stopped out because this was what my execution was looking like. So I had it pretty tight stop loss. So it was crazy. So my stop we just had a swing eye somewhere right here. I got in, and then I just, this was what my trade is looking like at the moment. And obviously we trade back up. I thought I was gonna get stopped out, and I would have called it a day. But from there we start to get a good delivery, and from there I took partials right here, and left runners to obviously sell side, which was this low, which my sell side would have been this low. So yeah, we didn't get that low, but obviously this trade went for like about 90 points. So, it was good day. It was a good day to be honest. Recouped my previous loss and then obviously caught this winner, which was a banger trade. Yeah. So this is what I took today. This was my trade recap. This is my execution. I'll show you on the chart right now. I'll show you just put my execution there. And obviously if you see clearly, you can see my first trade, which was right here. So got in right here, got stopped out, and pretty much second trade was right here, got in right here, and then it just went for like 60 points. So I took all my profit somewhere right here because I was thinking, okay, there's no reason for me to just hold. Obviously, my target was the sell side, but it's just no reason to hold all the way to that low. Obviously, I've took my previous loss and I'm still up for the day, so I thought, why not just close it? And yeah, it was a good day, solid day. Follow my checklist, liquidity sweep, inverse, probably SMT, but we didn't get SMT today. ES was a bit laggy. ES was a bit laggy today, so it was consolidating. NQ was moving on the other side, so you know, if I had SMT, I would have used it, but regardless, I still took the trade, and it was a good day. And yeah, uh, obviously I haven't been dropping videos, but now I'm gonna start dropping videos again. And yeah, I appreciate you for watching my videos, and yeah, see you next time.